Alrighty, I think I got you some footage there, as you can see, with the deck chute dispatch off and the Raptor SD grass catcher scallop block off plate in place, and it does a really nice job. So let's see. Let me see if I can get off this thing if I release the seat belt and get down here. Let's take a look with that 10-inch tall grass and look inside the we pull this loose here real quickly, and let's see if we can get this out and make you good and sick. Okay, we just got through mowing, and the last video we did where we just got through mowing with the MASSFX tires here. I'm letting it cool down a little bit. Get a picture of the tires. MASSFX AT231110. Alright, I think we can shut this thing off now. It's loud enough for us not to be able to talk. So we're going to go ahead and shut her down, and we're going to look at how much moisture is in the ground and what it did to the, you can see how much we've thrown mud and stuff over the deck and grass, and got the tires all good and muddy. And since the last video we lost quite a bit of it, we're going to shoot this again, basically is what we're doing. And we're also going to blow off the mower. And you notice there wasn't anything in there. There's nothing in the belt covers. Let's go over to the other one where we haven't been yet. And as you can see, let me put this down. As you can see with the belt cover there, there's absolutely zero inside there, which is really what you want. And I'm going to go ahead and blow this thing off. And we're going to blow it off underneath the seat here. Got to readjust my seat lock here. Blow this out real quickly. Blow out the filter cavity. Okay, well, that pretty much is going to conclude this video. We're going to go ahead and give it a bath, which the reason why we're giving it a bath this time is because of the, let me see, get down here where you can see the mud. And I think you can see that pretty well. It's been raining the last several days, flooding all over the country and tornadoes everywhere. So consequently, we've been very, very lucky here to MaxsGarajMahal. And we're going to praise the Lord for that. So guys, just wanted to let you see that these, we shoot out there again. There are no divots in the yard from these huge MASSFX Knobby tires. They're doing a fantastic job. They ride really great. We go over here and we'll shoot down behind. We're going in front of the MaxsGarajMahal now. And as you can see, Those tires are doing a fantastic job. Right out there is where we stopped to shoot the video the other day. Burnt the the grass with our little Hustler Raptor, and I think that XL Industries Hustler Turf Big Dog Alpha, they'll need to send us a heat shield for MaxsGarajMahal Hustler Raptor SD60 so that we can do a how to install. Any of you guys want to see that, put your comments down below and we'll do an installation if they will send us the heat shield, and if not, then we'll do our own and we'll probably sell one to you guys. So there you go, guys. We appreciate you coming by MaxsGarajMahal. Hope you'll subscribe, like the video, give us a thumbs up, and then share if you would. Hit that notification button also. And thank you for coming by one more time. Y'all come back and see me now. You hear?